Every fall, millions of people line up for a drink that tastes like pumpkin, cinnamon, and nostalgia. It's called the Pumpkin Spice Latte. Since the year 2003, Starbucks has sold over 600 million of them, turning a seasonal coffee into $1 billion business. Latte is not just a drink. It's a masterclass in seasonal marketing, scarcity, and storytelling. Lessons every restaurant owner can use to turn a simple menu item into a profit powerhouse. My name is Desmond Lim, and this is the Pumpkin Spice Method. 3 ways you can use to turn one product into a seasonal goldmine. Lesson 1. Scarcity creates frenzy. Starbucks did not make the Pumpkin Spice Latte available throughout the year. Instead, they launched it every fall and only for a fixed amount of time. That strategy created urgency. Customers were not just buying a drink, they were buying a moment in time. Here's what we learned. The less time people have to buy something, the more they want it. Scarcity is not a gimmick, it's a growth engine. Independent restaurants can do this too. Maybe it's your grandma's soup recipe that you only serve in the winter once a year, or a summer cocktail that you only sell during that period of time. By making it seasonal, you create anticipation and tradition, and customer plan their visits around it. You can even take it further. Offer pre-orders for your seasonal item. Reward your first 50 customers with a bonus. Or run countdown marketing, reminding customers only 3 days left to get it. Scarcity works when people know they might miss out. Lesson 2. Own the conversation. Starbucks does not try to dominate all 12 months. They own one moment, the fall. And that moment carries their brand the other part of the year. Every September, social media practically does Starbucks marketing for them. Pumpkin spice memes, hashtags, even the jokes. All of it reinforces them as a symbol of fall. As a restaurant owner, you do not need the budget of Starbucks to own a conversation. Here's how you can do it too. Launch your seasonal item on Instagram or TikTok before it hits the menu. Create a hashtag challenge so your customers do the posting for you. Partner with a local business. Think a florist for Mother's Day brunch or brewery for Oktoberfest. If you can tie your brand to a cultural moment, your customers will spread the word for you. Lesson number 3. Stories sell more than flavors. Here's the truth. The Pumpkin Spice Latte does not even taste like pumpkin. And that's the point. People are not buying flavor, they are buying a feeling. Starbucks built a story around warmth, nostalgia, and coziness. The drink became a lifestyle. So what story does your food tell? Maybe it is not just a bowl of ramen. It's the secret recipe that you built while you were traveling through Japan. Or maybe it's not just fried chicken. It's the same one your parents serve at Sunday dinners every single week that you share with your customers now. Here's how to put story into your business. Write mini backstories on your menu for seasonal food. Train your staff to sell feelings, not just flavors. Use photos and short videos that show the story behind the food. The Pumpkin Spice Latte is not just a drink. It's a story poured into a cup, and that story is worth billions. Bonus learning. Turn seasonal customers into year-round regulars. Do not let seasonal customers disappear once the item is gone. Use your limited time menu to grow loyalty and a following. You can collect emails or phone numbers when people buy your seasonal dish and invite them back with special offers. Bundle the seasonal item with another menu favorite so they try more than one thing. Or give them an incentive to come back, like a coupon for their next visit. A seasonal heat should be more than a short-term spike. It should bring people back all year long. So that's the Pumpkin Spice Method. 1. Use scarcity to create anticipation. 2. Own a cultural conversation. 3. Sell the story, not just the food. And finally, the bonus, turn seasonal buzz into long-term following. Starbucks turned a $5 drink into a billion-dollar tradition, and you do not need their scale to do the same. So the question is, what's your pumpkin spice latte? What product can you turn into a seasonal sensation? Drop your ideas in the comments. I love to hear it. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and comment below to get more tips on how to make your restaurant better.